welcome back to Find Here channel. Guess where we are right now? Let's check outdoor the window. You can see the Canada flag and also the snow on the top in there. So here is Quebec City, and I'm going to invite you to join our staycation holiday in Quebec City. Quebec City is very famous for the old port and also very fairy tale style city here. And because during the pandemic, nowadays very hard to travel overseas. So Canada government can encourage people to travel locals, and you even can get a tax refund from your travel. So we are going to invite you to join our staycation here, and let's check our home before and after. And if you like our style, please leave a message below, and we are going to show you more and more fun of the travel and lifestyle here. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Welcome back to Find Here channel. Welcome on board our new boat. Now, this time we are going to unboxing our condo in Quebec City. Here, everything is about ocean thing. Because this condo is very close to the port in Quebec City. Sailboat, lighthouse, and this is a kitchen, where equipment. Everything we chose here is the lifestyle we like. And when you turn around, it's our dining table. We usually eat here for the breakfast. And this is our wedding picture. And when you turn around here, is a dining room. Also again, the ocean thing. And then living room. Then you turn around, is our study. So here is very blue style in the living room, and then we turn around, is our bathroom. The bathroom here is a purple style. I really like here, it's my style, really. That is our bathing time here. So now we are going to unboxing our bedroom. That right here is a gray color, very zen style. And I usually do the yoga here, the zen style with the candle. So hope you like our unboxing today. Here is the gym, 健身房，还有小电视。
客买房或卖房都需要通过公证师的认证下才可以完成。我们买的房产是含有家具还有家电的，所以邀请大家跟我们一起开箱，看看前任屋主留给我们什么惊喜吧。
Hello, welcome back home. 这对夫妇对我们超好的，准备所有的设备，还有一些我们需要换洗的一些毛巾啊、浴巾，连这个都帮我准备好了，太贴心了。And here's the kitchen part. This French couple let a lot of stuff for us. And coffee, Azzurro, and this the very one, Lavazza. It's really amazing. Everything is well prepared.
and also have these. So let's check in the kitchen part. Wow, I love this pot. Beautiful. And let's check what others. I think here's macaroni or cup something. Wow, the salad bowl, everything. And here, another glass and candle there. And check here. Wow, many stuff. Teapot, everything. Wow, they even have this thing. Empty here. Okay, let's check this part. Food equipment. What else here? And here is the pot. Cool. Okay. Today is a Chef Francois doing the dessert tonight and the meal. Look at these. For our housewarming party. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Housewarming party for us. Wow. Cheers.
Cheers. Beautiful place here in Quebec. We didn't decorate yet, but they even left us a beautiful painting.
Yeah.
And we found these 3.
Oh, this is very beautiful, this one. From the new home to here is Old Port, Lao Gang. Look at these. Hello, welcome back to Find Here channel. Guess where we are right now? We are in the Old Port in Quebec City. Look at this amazing view. 这是从新家前门走到老港1分钟所看到的景色，很漂亮吧？我们现在来看看从另外一头，从后门走到老港的另一头，看看它的风景是怎么样子的吧。从这个地方过马路，走个5到10分钟就到达很有名的小香浦南区 The Petit Champlain， 还有方亭城堡 Château Frontenac。看完夜景，我们来看看老港的白天风景吧。
Hello everyone, we're at the Quebec Marina. So you can see all the sailboats in the back, the marina here. We're on the Quebec Bassin. So it's the entrance for the marina here. And today they have an event for ice fishing. So it's really fun. People catch trouts and little fish. And it's mostly a family thing. Kids are playing. The beautiful background of Quebec City. And in the back, the building you see now, it's our building. It's where we live. Awesome.
因为这里的水域非常的湍急危险，需要持有魁北克省的船长驾照的人才可以行驶这趟航程，所以不管是来自世界各国的船只，都必须要有当地的船长证的人来航驶这段航段。有机会来魁北克市玩的话，也可以搭渡轮到对岸的 Lévis， 看看另外一个角度的魁北克市古城吧。
got the beautiful castle in front.
过这条桥的距离，你可以省到半个小时的时间哦，还可以在这边观景台。观景台，这边就是我们的家啦，这边就是Château Frontenac。indiquant un gilet de sauvetage. Repérez poste de rassemblement indiqué, pictogramme vert. Welcome back to Firehead channel. Guess where we are right now? We are in Quebec. When you see this Château Frontenac, you can see this is little Petit Champlain here.
And that is, oh, fan on the sledge. Look at this.
Hello, welcome back to Firehead channel. My Canadian husband, look at there, is there. He's going out because he said, I'm Canadian, I don't afraid of cold. It's a snowstorm here. And my crazy husband wanna go out.
What?
Find that here. Fan behind the Nordic Express for Northern Quebec. And look, she's doing the penguin. She's playing in the snow. So fun. And here we have all the tugboats from Océan. So many tugboats, as you see in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tugboats right now. Amazing. Cool. Quebec City, beautiful.
Okay, how do you call this snow in French? Fluffy one?
The fluffy snow, it's called neige poudrée. You cannot make snowman with this snow. It's too, you see, it's very like powder. So we call it powder snow. Poudrée, neige poudrée.
Okay.
For skiing, for when you do the alpine ski, is amazing.
Look
Very
at the
fun.
beautiful. Wow.
Find that here, beautiful Quebec. The American embassy in the back. And now we have the marvelous Château Frontenac, built in 1892. And the famous ice ride, but now it's melted. And here we have the lovely Fan Fan.
Hope you enjoy our home tour. This is our surrounding our home, and it's 5 minutes by working for our new home. And I see you next time for our life and travel is adventure. I see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, find here channel. Bye.